your Windows PC showing blurry text or blurry screen? Don't worry, you are not alone. A lot of users face this issue after updates or display changes. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the most effective methods to sharpen your display, improve text clarity, and make your Windows 11 screen look clean and sharp again. So let's fix your screen quality in just a few easy steps. Right-click the Windows Start button and open Settings. Go to System. Then click Display. Under Display, find Scale. Now open the drop-down and choose the recommended option or higher definition scale if that's recommended for your monitor. Next, choose the display resolution and pick recommended option. Click Keep Changes when prompted. This aligns scaling and resolution so text and UI elements render sharply. Open Windows Start and type Advanced System. Click View Advanced System Settings to open System Properties. Now go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Now select Adjust for Best Appearance. And then click Apply and OK. This enables smoother rendering and can reduce blurriness caused by visual settings. Open Windows Start and type Clear Type Text. And click Adjust Clear Type Text. Now make sure the box Turn on Clear Type is checked. Then click Next. On the next screens, pick the text sample that looks best to you and then click Next. Repeat when prompted, choosing the best sample again. Then click Next. Finally, click Finish. ClearType fine-tunes subpixel font rendering and usually makes text much cleaner on LCD screens. Right-click on Windows Start and open Device Manager. Now expand Display Adapters and select your display adapter. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. Now click Browse My Computer for drivers. After that, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Next, choose your display adapter and then click Next and allow the driver to install. When you see Windows has successfully updated your drivers, click Close. Installing the correct driver can resolve rendering issues and restore sharpness. And that's it. So these are the most reliable ways to fix blurry screens in Windows 11. So that's it for today. If this tutorial was helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.